Welcome to my channel Z Tech viewers. In this video I am going to show you how to flush DNS and renew IP addresses in Windows 10. So let's do it. So firstly we have to open CMD as administrator. Simply click on a search, write CMD and remember to run it as administrator, and this is how you can open your command prompt. And now you have to write here some commands for flushing DNS and renew IP addresses. So the first command is ipconfiguration /flush DNS. Your internet DNS has been flushed by using this command. Now type ipconfiguration /registerdns. Now when press enter, your IP configuration will start. After that you have to type here another command, which is ipconfiguration /release, and then press enter again. You have to write another command, which is ipconfiguration /renew because it will reset and renew your IP addresses. Now the last command that you have to write, it is IP configuration, it is netsh winsock reset. After writing this command, you will remember you will need to restart your computer. This is how you can flush DNS and renew IP addresses. Now after restarting you will have a fresh DNS and new IP addresses. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.